Hello design learners. Welcome back to Design Exploration, where we dive deep into UI, UX and graphic design step by step. There are many tools for UI, UX design in the industry, such as Adobe XD, Sketch, InVision, and Axure. However, today we are focusing specifically on Figma. Welcome to Design Exploration, where creativity meets innovation. And in this channel, we dive deep into the world of design. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, we'll explore everything from UI UX principles to graphic design techniques. Today, we are focusing on Figma, a powerful tool that's revolutionizing the design process. Get ready to unlock your creative potential as we guide you through tips, tricks, and tutorials that will elevate your design skills. Let's get started. Figma features why it's useful. Figma is a powerful design tool that has gained popularity among designers, developers, and teams for its collaborative capabilities and user-friendly interface. Here are some of its key features and reasons why it's so useful. Key features: real-time collaboration. Multiple users can work on a design simultaneously, making it easy for teams to collaborate, provide feedback, and make changes in real time. Cloud-based platform. Being cloud-based means you can access your designs from anywhere, on any device. This eliminates the need for software installation and ensures that you always have the latest version. Design systems. Figma allows you to create and manage design systems, including reusable components, styles, and assets. This promotes consistency across projects and teams. Prototyping. You can create interactive prototypes directly within Figma. This feature enables designers to simulate user experiences and gather feedback before development. Plugins and integrations. Figma supports a wide range of plugins that enhance functionality, from accessibility tools to design systems. It also integrates well with other tools like Slack, Jira, and GitHub. Vector editing. Figma offers robust vector editing tools, allowing designers to create detailed graphics and icons easily. Version control. The platform automatically saves your work and maintains a version history, so you can revert to previous versions if needed. Commenting and feedback. Stakeholders can leave comments directly on the design files, streamlining the feedback process and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Cross-platform compatibility. Figma works on Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Responsive design. With Figma, you can create designs that adapt to different screen sizes, making it easier to design for mobile, tablet, and desktop. Why it's useful. Enhanced collaboration. Figma's real-time collaboration features make it ideal for remote teams, allowing for seamless communication and teamwork. Efficiency. The ability to prototype and design in one tool reduces the time spent switching between different applications, streamlining the design workflow. Accessibility. Being cloud-based means you can work from anywhere, which is especially beneficial for freelancers and distributed teams. User-centric design. The prototyping and feedback features help ensure that designs are user-focused, allowing for quick iterations based on real user input. Community and resources. Figma has a vibrant community that shares templates, resources, and plugins, making it easier for designers to find inspiration and tools. In summary, Figma is a versatile design tool that combines powerful features with ease of use, making it an essential choice for modern designers and teams looking to enhance their workflow and collaboration. We are excited to continue exploring the world of design with you. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let us know what Figma topics you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, keep designing and stay creative with design exploration.